Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I know, it's weird, isn't it? You never guess. Here's the story. Okay, I recorded half of the video without a mic on. So yeah, you're gonna get me the first half of this part of the video with a voiceover, and then I will slip in halfway through the video. I'm just saying thank you to you guys, especially my online friends. You guys have been amazing. You continue to support me, and I thank you for that. And thank you to all of my new subscribers. You're so welcome. But in this video, I'm just going to be showing you my high maintenance for my hair. I usually do the most at the beginning of the year. So darling, sit back. I'm going to show you. So if you're new here, at the beginning of every video, I usually introduce the hair. So here I am just showing you the state of the hair. I've left my hair for probably 3 or 4 days. It's got gel in it. It's tangled up. It's probably at its worst right now. Yeah, and I need a serious trim. Now, although my hair is really tangled up, as you can see, it's all moving together. It's super moisturized. That's one thing I didn't fail on doing. I made sure my hair was hydrated whilst it was in its worst state. So the next step I'm going to be doing is detangling. I usually detangle over a period of 2 to 3 days, and I'll show you that video if you want. However, I thought I would try using a new detangling brush, which is a wet tangle teaser brush. You can see the teeth here. They've got double teeth, long and short, and it's supposed to be really good for detangling. So I'm going to give it a good try. I'm going to use aloe vera, fresh aloe vera. It's not diluted with water. And although my hair looks really well moisturized, listen, it is in desperate need of that gludgy, thick, gel-like substance from the aloe vera because my ends are really jagged and my hair is really tangled. So here goes. So as you can see from my facial expressions, you know that I am really impressed with this brush. This brush is the real deal, guys. You have to try it. Now, I have no idea if it works on all hair types, but I can tell you it took about 2 or 3 brushes to get every single tangle out. I am super impressed. Just look at the shine on my dirty hair. So during this detangling session, I usually cover it over 2 to 3 days. I was having to do it over 1 day, or not even a day. This particular recording session, trust me, I encountered a lot of knots. And I'm just showing you and demonstrating how good this brush is. It's a definite staple for me. Look at it. 2 or 3 brushes. My goodness. This is the one. Obviously, sis, I've got ya. I'm going to leave all the details in the description bar because if you haven't tried it, girl, you need to buy one of these, okay? And look, it didn't yank out much of my hair. This was a week's worth of shedding. So now that detangling's out of the way, we have to make space for shampooing. Now I'm using the Amari Me Black African shampoo with broccoli seed oil and sandalwood, and it's got jojoba and glycerin, and it is just amazing. It's very liquidy, but you only need a little bit of this, and it really suds up well, even with hair that's got a lot of build-up on. It's very cleansing because you've got the African black soap, but it's balanced out really well to hydrate and moisturize your hair. And there are so many different reasons why I love this shampoo, and one of them is because it gets my hair super clean, but I can also detangle my hair with it. I mean, can we just give it a round of applause for the amount of slip and the moisture payoff that it gives after using an African black soap shampoo. So now onto the DIY for the deep conditioner, which needs to be super luxurious. Here's aloe vera. You got to have some aloe vera in it because otherwise it's not a DIY worth taking, okay? I use this aloe vera for detangling my hair, but the majority of this aloe vera is going in the DIY. And because aloe vera is not to be wasted, these skins will be used for my daily skincare use on my face because I need it, okay? So for this time and this DIY, I'm making sure that the aloe vera is mixed down to a liquid form, and of course your girl has to make sure she strains it because I don't want those bits in my hair. And just to prove that there are bits in there you go. So it made about 100 mils, which 50 of that I used to detangle and the rest of it I'm using for the DIY. Now I'm going to be putting in Aloe Vera powder, which is an Indian gooseberry. This is fantastic for increasing the scalp circulation and really good for hair growth. It has jam-packed amount of vitamin C, and it also produces collagen protein, which helps in stimulating hair growth, both length and volume. Not only that, but it's also fantastic at reducing the premature graying and fighting off dandruff. This bad boy had to go in. Now this little concoction may not look very nice, but it's the remnants of last week's live DIY, which has moringa powder, slippery elm, rosemary and extra virgin olive oil, and it is so incredibly nourishing. This right here is only a tiny amount I'm putting in, but trust me, it's going to make all the difference. Moving on to another special product from Amari Me is the Deeper, which is an Aveda deep conditioner. When I tell you deep, I mean really deep, because oh my goodness, this has henna in and it has nettle in, and it's got a whole load of moisturizing ingredients like aloe butter and red palm oil. This right here is usually my weekly deep conditioner, which gives my hair super shine, hydration, and with the henna deposit it really helps with my hair looking shiny and keeping it strong. So this is quite a thick consistency, so I needed the hand blender for this because I'm going to be putting it in a container so that it's easy for me to use. But this is really smooth, so soft, and look how it's dissolving into my skin. Can you imagine what it's going to be like on my hair? So now that I've done the DIY, it's time to apply, and as you can see, I'm applying it on clean hair because this right here is after I've rinsed off the shampoo. It looks like I have a leave-in conditioner on my hair. Look at the shine it leaves, the moisture. That shampoo is really great. There's no rough, dry, flyaway bits. It's all very well moistured and not stripped from moisture. So you can see now the consistency. And I just want to show you, look at it just dissolving. It's just going right into my hair strands, and it's not warm, but it's just feeding right into my hair, and I love this mixture. So now I've done that, I'm just going to wrap it in cling film and sit on the steamer and take a rest because this day is getting very long. Okay, this is the moment where my mic is on. No, I'm going to check. No, it's all good, it's all good. We have lift off. We've got sound, okay? Now we are back to, normal recording session. Okay, so the next step I would do is I've deep conditioned my hair. My hair is just trying to drain some of the water, excess water from the microfiber towel, and you can see that my hair, look at the definition. Yes, I've got a nice clumping and the definition is there. My hair feels strong. You can see my ends look a little bit scraggy. Definitely think, look, that some of them are not curling properly, as you can see. They look a bit tired. I'm going to put a heat protectant on my hair because I'm going to blow dry my hair straight with the Rev Air. So this is the Pro Styling Heat Protection Spray, and it will protect up to heat protection of 220 Celsius. So I'm just going to spray a little bit in my hands. Well, that wasn't a little bit, was it? It was a lot. I'm going to distribute it. I'm just going to make sure that's all completely, because I want the protection. I don't take this much care usually on a weekly basis because me ain't got time, alright?
All right, so I've finished blowing my hair out. It's got no other product on it apart from the Pro Styling Heat Protection from xoxo. So I've decided, okay, you can see my ends, they're looking pretty, they're not bad, but they're not the best. You can see that. My hair definitely needs a trim, but I'm not going to be able to see it fully with a blowout like this. So unfortunately I will have to press it. I'm gonna have to silk press it. So anyway, moving on, okay. I've got my GHD. So they don't have a heat control, but they do go up to 230 degrees. So it's not too bad, but I'd rather be in control of it. Anyway, we're gonna cut it, okay? Got my scissors here. Gonna say a prayer. Here are my scissors. They are proper shears for hair. I'm gonna stop brushing it because I could be breaking my hair. Okay, so we're doing this, all right. I didn't do that one properly. Don't really know what I'm doing. Don't really know what I'm doing. But I know that I'm only doing one pass because your girl doesn't want heat damage. I just don't. Oh, I like the shine. Oh. All right, so I'm gonna get on with this now. I'm gonna go round and complete the rest and I'll come back. All right. Okay, so I finally finished. I didn't want to do it as a tutorial because I didn't know if I could do it properly. Yeah, I mean, look at the shine. So I'm supposed to wrap my hair, but I'm not going to do that. But now I can get a good idea of what my ends look like. As you can see, I mean, my hair's grown really, really long. Like, yeah, I'm heading to booby. The reason why I did a really good deep condition and made that DIY is to give my hair a chance to get through this. I'm just going to trim now. So again, no tutorial. I do have a trim your hair at home video. I will link that up here, okay? Because I'm not teaching anyone how to do it. I just know how to do my hair. Well, kind of. So I've done it now, I've cut the ends. It looks a lot better. It's probably not even still, but it's got a lot more bounce to it. The ends aren't as scraggy. It's full right to the ends, which is exactly what I was looking for. It feels heavier. I'm really happy with the trim. However, I don't know what it's going to look like when it's curly. This is how much was cut off. You can see there's about an inch, I guess, everywhere. Okay, so before I actually put the Bantu knots in, I've got to measure my hair, okay? Because at the beginning of the year, we can start off and see what it's like this time next year. So the front, I'm not calling it the fringe because it is not a fringe anymore, but we are calling it the front, the shiny front hair. But anyway, got the hair measure. If you haven't got one of these, you need to get one in your life. And if you hang on to the end, I will let you know about a giveaway. And it might just include the hair measure. Okay, right, so I'm gonna put this hair measure right at the root of this bit of hair, which is there, like so, like that. And hands free, I'm just gonna run the tape measure down, and the front of my hair, let's just clip it now. Oh, it did grow even. Oh, so the front of my hair is 13. That grew. Did it grow? You know what, I'm gonna have to put a little clip here of me doing this last month. So I'm pretty sure it was 12. It just grew an inch in 1 month. Okay, that's definitely, you can see that it's hitting the 13. wonderful. Here we go, here. Just got that there. And just gonna run the hair all the way down. What do we have here? We have last month, it was 12. I've just cut an inch off. So, and that is 14. Are you kidding me? That's 14, isn't it? Last month, if I remember rightly, I'll put it here. I think it was 12 inches, and I've just cut an inch off. So, okay, guys, that's it. That is my New Year maintenance. For some of you, you may be thinking, sister, you have just put heat on your hair. How can you be starting off the new year well? For me, that was just too much for one day, okay? It was way too much. I still feel like I've given my hair the best before heating it with that really great DIY with balance of moisture and protein. We will see it when I revert my hair. Anyway, you can pray for me if you want to, okay? Okay, so it's very late. My family are asleep. It's just after 1 o'clock right now, and I'm gonna go to bed. I'm just hoping that my hair will survive the night of sweating, because I don't want to be a sweaty Betty overnight and wake up with frizzy Frida. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Okay, guys, I have got a giveaway for y'all. I will be giving away a hair measure. I purchased one myself, and I want to give somebody else one of these because I think these are an amazing tool. It's so much more precise, it's less fiddly, and I want one of you guys to have this. So I'll leave the details in the description bar below, and you can thank me later. Anyway, guys, I have to shut up because I'm getting excited now. You know, the stupid always comes at the end. Let me know in the comments your high maintenance and what you do to give your hair a real boost for hair growth. Okay, guys, I'm going now. I hope you take care of yourself, keep your mindset positive, and surround yourself with peace. You take care, and God bless you. Bye.